Hey, and welcome back. Today I want to share with you 3 color-themed smoothies. I've got a green one, purple, and orange, so let's get to blending them. For the first smoothie, we're going to need 1 medium apple diced, 1 cup of pineapple juice with a couple pineapples, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 medium-sized banana, and 1 scoop of your favorite pea protein. This is a great source of antioxidants and fiber. You'll get some vitamins like C and K, some bromelain from your pineapple juice, some potassium from the bananas and spinach, some iron as well, and a great source of plant-based protein, about 10 to 20 grams depending on which brand you use. Blend that all together and you have a green smoothie. Smoothie 2, 5 more ingredients. A cup and a half of frozen mixed berries, about a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of oats, cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon or so of your favorite natural sweetener. From this, you'll also get some nice antioxidants. From the Greek yogurt, you'll get some protein, probiotics, and some calcium. You'll also find a great source of fibers and vitamins. Blend everything together in your blender until smooth, and we'll call this kind of like the onion, red with purple smoothie. All right, for the third and final smoothie, it is a cup of fresh or frozen cut mango, a cup of baby carrots, which is about 10 of those, a quarter of a teaspoon of ginger, a cup of orange juice, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. This is a great source of vitamin A and C, also a great source of some beta carotene from those carrots. You'll get some great anti-inflammatory properties also from that turmeric and ginger powder, but don't do too much. You don't want to burn that throat. Blend these together until smooth and you have yourself an orange smoothie. Feel free to make adjustments to the recipe. Add more sweetness, more liquid if you need it to be smoother, or add more of one of the ingredients if you want to highlight that specific flavor. Now you have 3 easy 5-ingredient smoothie inspirations for you to try yourself, because you know we gotta have them fruits and vegetables. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed these smoothie ideas, and also comment below a color you think would work for a great smoothie inspiration. Make sure you subscribe and have your notifications on for future videos. Remember, cooking or blending doesn't have to be that hard, so why don't you get in the kitchen and make something yum yum.